Already did it. It's been good. If you watched the video earlier, that tree was up, and that one was too. Right now, the power's currently out, and we had it on for about 30 minutes ago. I don't know if you ever see it, but there's a, I'm just standing on the front porch where I'm at. There's a power line hanging over top of that car right there. Or it may be a telephone line, I'm not sure. I'm not going to go check though. I had to hold my ground right there. The wind's coming really strong from this part right here.